Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use mouse wheel as sound volume controller in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Always Mouse Wheel by Software OK. On the first list you will see its official website, just click on it. Now you will see here tons of download options, so you can download any one, whichever you like. So I'm gonna download this portable into 64.zip. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's been downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see the application, just double click on it. Now here you will see some options, so just keep it as it is. And now you can see here options, just click on it. So under the options, you will see here, use as a volume control when the mouse wheel on the taskbar. So just enable it. Now you can close this window. Now just place your mouse cursor on the Windows taskbar and now just scroll your mouse wheel to increase or decrease. So you can see here, whenever I'm scrolling the mouse wheel upwards and downward direction, so you can see the volume percentage is increasing or decreasing. And if you want to disable it again, just click on this taskbar tray icon. And you can see the application, just right mouse click on it and click on this exit. So by using this cool application named as Always Mouse Wheel, you can easily use mouse wheel as sound volume controller in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.